All right, I figured I would give y'all a quick overview of the ornaments that I put on this tree. Some of them are the same ones from the small tree I had in here last year, and some of them are kind of new. Either way, I love them all. They are just me in ornament form. This one came from Target last year. It was $5. This chocolate espresso martini, I think that's what that drink is called, and this old fashioned, they both came from Kirkland's. You might have seen that in a previous shop with me. The Corona bottle came from Walmart, I think I got that ornament from Walmart. And then like the ramen and the camera, all of them came from various stores. I updated the camera. It used to be pink. I updated this little handbag. It used to be gold and leopard print, and now it looks Gucci inspired. And then my most recent purchase of ornaments is this miniature primrose mirror from Anthropologie. I cannot bring myself to pay full price for the full size mirror, so when I saw they had it in ornament size, I grabbed it. It was like $40, but it's worth it. It's really nice, and it's an actual mirror, and I think it's going to look beautiful on my tree. And this last one is one that I DIY'd because I didn't want to give Etsy $30 for it. But it is so me because I have Amazon packages come into the house every day, all day, on a weekly basis. And I know y'all do too.